Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to jailbreak an iCloud bypass iPad mini 2. The link is in description. You can download all files from there. This method is completely untethered. It means you can restart as many times as you want. You can even remove the battery. So first I'm going to show you that this device is logged on iCloud activation screen. As you can see, I have connected and it says that it's stuck on activation lock. So all you need is to run Rufus. Now connect USB drive and select boot in ISO. It will create a bootable drive to run Checkra1n. As we know, Checkra1n do not work on Windows operating system, so we will create a bootable drive to run Checkra1n to jailbreak iPad mini 2. It will take 4 to 5 minutes to create bootable drive. After creating bootable drive, restart your PC and boot it with USB drive. Now I have an HP PC, the boot key is F9. If you are on Dell, boot key is F12. I'm gonna boot it with USB hard drive. This is the latest version of Checkra1n. So now we are on Checkra1n. So I'm gonna connect my iPad mini 2. Jailbreaking iPad mini 2 is slightly different from other devices. So I'm gonna show you how to jailbreak it. First, connect your iPad and click start. It will put your device into recovery mode. After recovery mode, click next and put your device into DFU mode. The instructions are on screen. Once your device is in DFU mode, it will start jailbreaking it, but you'll have to wait almost 1 to 2 minutes to process it. Wait until it says this is the real bug setup. Here, as you can see, it says this is the real bug setup. Now you'll have to unplug and replug your iPad quickly, and it will boot your screen up, as you can see. The iPad mini 2 is successfully jailbroken. Now go back to Windows and run the bypass tool. First, make sure your antivirus is turned off, and now extract the bypass tool. The password is frpfile.com. Run tool and make sure your iPad is connected. As you can see, it says iPad mini 2 and the iOS version is 12.5.1. Now click hidden baseband and select untethered bypass. Your iPad will restart several times, so don't worry. iPad mini 2 is successfully bypassed. Now we will fix unusual battery drain. Go to extras and select fix drain battery. It will restart again. Now I will show you that it is completely untethered. I'm going to restart it. iOS version is 12.5.1. Now I'm going to restart it. Let me know in comment section if anything goes wrong. Till then, make sure to subscribe my channel and peace out.